sales team sits on more pipeline than it can ever work. Leads that came in, got a touch or two, and quietly went cold in the CRM. InSync exists to change that. To work every lead you've already paid for, managed, visible, and measured. Over the next 8 minutes, you'll see the whole platform, end to end, capture, outreach, the AI agent, your team, and the numbers. Start at the command center. New leads as they arrive, the live pipeline value, every call, message, and email your team sent today, and your win rate, the whole operation on one screen, updating as your team works. It's the screen a sales head opens with their morning coffee. No reports to ask for. Capture begins before anyone lifts a finger. A prospect finds you, your website, an ad, a QR code, at an event, and fills in a form like this one, their name, their company, what they're looking for. Then they hit send. And that instant, watch, they land in your pipeline. There's the brand new lead at the top, captured on its own, in the new stage with nobody on your side typing a thing. And all of this bends to how you sell, not the other way around. Need to track a budget, a team size, a region, add your own field in seconds, any type you like. Need a new capture form for a campaign? Build it yourself. Name it, mark it public, tick the fields you want. And it's live with a shareable link you can drop into any ad, email, or landing page. No developer, no waiting, no ticket. That form the prospect just filled in, it was built right here, in under a minute. The moment a lead lands, it's already complete. Company, role, seniority, city, LinkedIn, context, enriched automatically on the way in. And it's routed to the right rep the same moment, by your own assignment rules. Nobody typing, nobody assigning by hand. Your rep opens the lead and starts selling, not researching, already sitting on lead lists from years of business. Bring them with you. Upload a spreadsheet and thousands of contacts flow in at once, mapped to your fields, checked for duplicates, and dropped straight into the pipeline ready to work. Your old database becomes live pipeline in one afternoon, and it exports back out just as easily. Now reach out your way. A phone call, a WhatsApp, an email, every channel lives right on the lead itself, one click away. Pick one and go. And whichever channel you choose, the conversation stays on the record, so anyone on the team can pick up a lead and know its whole history in seconds. Every message stays on brand and one click away. Approved WhatsApp and email templates your whole team reuses. Personalized automatically with the lead's name and details. No retyping the same pitch 40 times a day. Nothing off-script going out under your brand. And you don't work thousands of leads one at a time. You hand them to the AI agent. It dials on its own, holds a real conversation in a natural voice, gauges interest, handles the brush-offs politely, and books the meeting when the interest is real. Here's a single day of it. Hundreds of calls made without a human dialing once, and every single one sorted by outcome. Interested, call back, follow up, demo booked. Your team wakes up to a list of warm conversations, and it's not a black box. You can audit every word. Every call is recorded, transcribed, and read back to you. Here's the actual conversation with Arav from this morning, and the agent's own summary of it. Confirmed interest, decision maker, demo booked, with the next step spelled out. Proof on every single call. Every response comes straight back into the lead's journey. On WhatsApp, you see delivered, read, and the reply itself. On email, you see opened and clicked, down to which link they clicked and when. You always know exactly where each conversation stands. No hot reply sits unanswered. It all rolls into one picture. The calls, the messages, the replies, every touch on a single timeline. And on top of it, An AI score that reads the engagement and tells your team exactly which leads deserve the next hour. Book the demo and it sticks. On the calendar with a meeting link attached, an RSVP from the prospect, and reminders that fire on their own before the meeting. Fewer no-shows, no follow-up left to somebody's memory. Across the floor, every lead is on the board. Its stage, its owner, the last call's outcome, and the state of every channel. Called, emailed, messaged. Drag a card to move a deal forward. Filter to find anything in seconds. This one screen replaces the Monday status meeting. Your whole team lives here too. Invite people with a simple link. Set their roles, admin, manager, executive, and group them into teams. Everyone sees what their role allows, and new leads route to the right desk automatically. Onboarding a new rep takes about a minute, and if your team is in the field, InSync tracks the field too. Staff check in from their phone with a photo and GPS location, so you know who's where. Verified. Hours count themselves, and the month rolls up on its own. Attendance, leave requests, approvals, regularization, without a paper register or a WhatsApp group in sight. It's the same platform your sales runs on. And it all rolls up into intelligence you can act on. The AI reads your whole pipeline, every stage, every source, how long deals sit, and where they die, and points straight at the bottlenecks where deals are stalling with the numbers to back it. So you fix the actual leak in your funnel instead of guessing. Every call, every message, every rupee of spend, tracked in a live wallet against what it brought back. You always know what growth costs and what it returns. Growth becomes a number you manage, not a leap of faith. And every lead in that pipeline is personal data, protected by design. Consent on record for every contact, access and erasure requests handled in one inbox, retention rules, and encryption underneath it all. Built in line with India's Data Protection Act. Compliance handled, not bolted on later. So that's the whole journey on one platform. Every lead captured the moment it exists, worked across every channel, called by an AI agent that never gets tired, your team and your field staff on the same screen, every rupee measured, and all of it protected by design. That's InSync. Now, let's talk about your pipeline.